welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an elopement at the top of a mountain and Kendra's doing hair and makeup. Carter's hiding, but he's officiating today. Since Kendra's doing hair and makeup, we got lunch. Take a look at what we got. Get this grilled cheese with bacon. Is it good? We started hiking up West Wind Pass. This is Kendra just gonna give us a little dance here because she's hyped. We're hiking with the clients up this mountain. When I tell you it was fairly steep, it doesn't look like it yet, but it does get fairly steep. Here's a quick pic. At this point, I'm just getting really thirsty because I don't think I had any water and I was sick. Could not find my water bottle clearly, and then right after this it started to get pretty steep and we're gonna take a quick pic again. The leading lines were so good on this path. I was very happy with that. The views as we started to get higher, we were climbing to the top up there. Yes, to the very top. And this is me dying because it's steep and I'm out of breath and we have a ways to go still. And this is once we finally got up there. Absolutely beautiful. We started getting ready photos of both of them. We didn't show the bride because she was tucked back in the corner and Carter did not need to go back there. And I'm putting on this boutonniere for him. Once he's ready, we did a first look. Oh my god. They are the absolute cutest. He's so emotional. Their love for each other is so beautiful. This is where they did a first dance together right after the ceremony. Okay, so a pine cone went down my back and I could not get it out and I was so focused on getting photos. He wanted his hat. Guys, anything for the shot, okay? If we have to get down on the ground, we will. Yes, we are celebrating their love at the top of the freaking mountain. They're giving us a little shout out and they're so cute, and cue their speech.
Being here, I know you're here in spirit. We thank you for all your support.
Hey everyone, so essentially right after this clip the camera completely died. I lost the battery on the trip. Well, I don't know, maybe I lost the battery, maybe Carter lost the battery, we don't know. We lost a battery shortly after this. Carter ended up bear spraying himself in the face, which I'm sorry is so funny, just the way it happened. He like tripped, hit a rock, it fell out and just bear sprayed him. It was hilarious. I feel horrible because, I mean, that obviously sucks. So he had to hike all the way down with bear spray in his face. So after all of this, we hiked back down. You didn't get to see the ceremony because Carter was obviously officiating. There was no extra hands to vlog it. So if you want to see photos from the entire elopement from beginning to end, including the flat lays at the very, very end, you can go check it out on my website, on my blog, which I will link below for you just to make it easy. And hey, if you liked it, let me know. I think it was such a cool, fun, beautiful elopement. Let me know what else you want to see on this channel. I'm so open to all ideas right now. I'm not sure which way I want to take this yet. But if you liked it, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment, you know, all the good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.